Hello friends, my name is Catherine. This is going to be my third attempt at acrylic pouring. And I've got my paints all mixed up, but we're going to try something a little bit different today. So far we've just done like dirty pours, something that's also called flip cup. And I've got 4 different colors mixed up here, like I usually do. I like 4. That seems like a good one. So I've got a white. This is a Delta Cream Coat white. I've got a Apple Barrel Yellow Flame. I've got a Craft Essentials Orange Spice. And I've got a Delta Cream Coat Red mixed up over here. I'm going to just cover my canvas in a bit of white real quickly. But the idea with those colors is to make something sort of flamey. So this one's probably going to have a name that has to do with fire. I'm thinking that's probably going to be the direction that this one will go. That was the intention when I chose these colors anyway. Okay. Got my brush, got some white paint. Just going to spread that around so that everything's wet to begin with, because I think that will help it move better. I've mixed them up a little bit thicker than I did last time, but a little bit thinner than I did the time before that. So, you know, it's a fine-tuning process. They all turned out. Just want to get something that I like. All right, everything's wet. And then the thing that we're going to do different today is we're going to try adding some argan oil to our colors to see if we can't get them to do some like fun cells and things. So I've got this argan oil. My whole idea is that I want to use things that I've already got for this. I don't want to go out and get extra things. I went and got the little tiny cups, but that's it. I've already got these canvases, I've already got all the paint, I've already got the glue and water that I'm mixing it with, and I already owned this argan oil. It's hair stuff. But let's spritz a little bit into each of those. There we go, and then we might add a little bit more as we're pouring it into our big cup. So let's start with white, because that is our base color. And maybe then a little bit of yellow. And yeah, let's just go down our color scale. And then let's spritz a little bit of this into the cup as well. And then pour the rest of these into there. How's that coming along? Is it looking interesting? So far, at least. I hope so. We'll see how it turns out. I might have too much white in here, honestly. I kind of want it to be more color than just that, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. Got all that in there. Toss those little cups aside. Got paint all over my hands, which is to be expected. Then I'll just pick up my canvas and put it on top of my cup and flip my cup over and set it back down, hopefully without releasing too much paint. Okay, and then just kind of let it settle for a little bit, I think. And letting it settle, that's probably long enough. All right, scooch this over to the center. And make sure everything's over the tray on all edges. Looks like it is. Awesome. All right, ready? Lift. Okay, right, I forgot to level my work surface again. Of course I did. And just like last time, I don't have anything around here. You know what? Let's try that. See if that helps. That definitely helped. Awesome. Okay. I just tucked a paper wallet underneath the edge of my my dirty craft tray. Okay. Put all that away. And then let's try tipping it out to the corners a little bit. There we go. That's one corner. That's the other one, hopefully, just a little over the edge there. Here's this corner. That's kind of running around awfully quickly. That's okay. And then the last one. Oop, that red was a little chunky. Gonna grab that out of there. That's probably not good for the painting, but whatever. We'll see how it works out anyway. And then we'll just let it sit for a couple minutes. While this is sitting, let's actually grab a toothpick and pop some of those air bubbles. Good enough, probably. All right. This turned out more sherbety than I was expecting. Probably because of the white. I should have either balanced it with some black or just not included the white and only done 3 colors. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. And then maybe tip it to that edge a little bit more. Maybe move everything to this direction just a little bit. There we are. All right. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple seconds and then we will come back and see how it's doing. All right. See you all in a couple of minutes. I can't touch anything. All right, friends, so it's been about a good 20 minutes and it's been allowed to settle down some. It hasn't really changed all that much. It's still pretty like bubbly over here and it's still pretty like swirly over here. But I just wanted to check in with you and let you see what was happening, because sometimes things can change over time. This one doesn't seem to have changed too much. It's a little bit more bubbly and more swirly, but all in all, a pretty good thing, I think. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to subscribe because I put up new videos every day, so there's always something new to see, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!